good, YouTube? Kiso Wavy, and I'm back with another video. Look, bro, I didn't miss y'all, bro. Oh my god, bro, I ain't been on camera so long. I'm low-key like nervous. But look, all that besides the point. What's up, y'all? Kiso Wavy, I'm back with another video, man. I really missed y'all, bro. I've been going for a whole month. But guess what? I mean, I got a month's worth of content. And we gonna start right now. Y'all seen the title? It is some of my latest pickups. This isn't like all of them. Y'all see I got a small stack in the background. Then I got one thing right here next to me. And all that stuff we gonna get into. And I got one outside, but I don't even know if I want to show y'all that one. That's like it's a weird pickup because it's a vehicle. I'll tell you that. But man, look, I ain't even about to talk y'all to death. Let's just get into the video. First off, we're gonna start off real light. I did pick up this Powers tee. Powers is a brand that I wore a lot in high school. There's nothing wrong with it. Like, honestly, I think I got this from Commonwealth. So if you're in Virginia or even like Philadelphia, and I think they even got one in the Philippines. Like, y'all know what Commonwealth is. This is a Powers tee. I like the colors up here. It is like this weird, ugly purple color. And then I really love the yellow. Like, I've really been digging yellow lately. I have no idea why. But I really just like the colors that they used up here, and they use this weird, ugly purple color, and I don't even know how to explain it. I will give y'all on body shots of most of this stuff, not all of it, most of it. But this is the first pickup, just a Powers tee. Let's get into the next one. Second thing I picked up, I actually picked this up from the thrift. It is an old Pantera tour tee. Again, I like these big graphic tees. Like, really like tour tees, any kind of vintage tees, thrifted things. Like, I really like that. Number one, because when it's thrifted, that means it didn't been through the trenches, and as y'all can see, it got the cracked front up there from just being like washed and all that good stuff. Like, it got a little more character to it, you feel me? And I really dig that in a shirt, and that's something I actually look for when I'm going thrifting. I don't want something that looks like super brand new. Yeah, it would be cool, but essentially this is what I'm looking for. So like I said, another light pickup, thrifted tour tee, Pantera. That's it. Let's get into the next one. The transition from what we were just looking at to the next two pickups, so you weren't cheating and looking in the background, is crazy. And that's because, boom, this is the Juice WRLD and Vlone collab t-shirt. Now, I really love this shirt. I like the colors that they used on it. Of course, it's Vlone. Like, come on now. It's a Vlone shirt. And the material up here is actually really nice. But something somebody did not tell me, when it comes to Vlone shirts, these actually run small. So this shirt is actually too small for me. This shirt for sale. So if you want a Vlone shirt, boom, I got you. But it's a really dope shirt. They got the blue with the orange on the back, of course. Then they got the Juice WRLD right there on the front. And honestly, I couldn't even tell what it said at first until I read the tag, and it actually has Vlone, got that. And then the actual tag itself that was on the shirt said Juice WRLD. So I'm like, what? Juice WRLD? So then I was talking to the guy in the store, and he was like, yeah, it's a Juice WRLD, like, Vlone collab shirt. I was like, word? That's dope. I'm gonna pick that up. But like I said, this shirt actually is too small. So this shirt is for sale. I won't be keeping this particular shirt. But that's all good. That's all fine, because we're gonna get more and more stuff. So that's it for this one. Let's get into the next pickup. Lastly, for the clothes, I did pick up one of my favorite shirts by one of my favorite artists. J. Cole is my favorite artist, but of course it's not J. Cole shirt. So I'm gonna just show y'all, and boom, right here you got the Astroworld tie-dye long sleeve, and this shirt is so crazy. Now right here is the front. As y'all can see, they got the cactus on the front for Cactus Jack, and it says Down to Earth going across. And then on the back they have all of these crazy graphics up here. Like, they got the people riding the roller coaster, they got the Wish You Were Here up there, they got the skull with the flames and the eyes down there. Like, this shirt is by far my favorite shirt that I own, and surprisingly it's tie-dye, so it's actually really easy to pull off. So it doesn't really take a whole lot, because you don't have to do a whole lot with the outfit. But like I said, this is probably my favorite shirt that I own right now, and it might stay like that for a while, because I have been looking at this shirt for a while, and then I actually saw a store around me that had it. So I was like, word, bet. And they gave it to me for the love. So, hey, shout out to y'all. I know who y'all is. And appreciate y'all for this shirt. My favorite shirt. Let's get into the next pickup. Now I'm getting into the sneaker side of things. If y'all saw the pink box in the back, it is right here. This is a Nike SB. If y'all don't know what it is already, let's see if you can guess before I pull these out the box. But the tag does say Nike SB Dunk Low Pro OG Quick Strike. And the colorway is white, chrome, and white. But it is another color in here, so I'm just going ahead and show y'all. Boom! I actually picked up the Diamond SBs, and I could not be more happy to have picked up this pair. And boom, here they are right here. I did pick up the white Diamond SBs, the Diamond Dunks, man. And look, as y'all can see right there, got the diamond on the back. It has the Velcro on the swooshes that you can take off. Y'all see that? And then it has the translucent sole at the bottom. I will be getting y'all B-roll, that way y'all can see everything a little bit better. But this is my second favorite Diamond Dunk. My first favorite Diamond Dunk is actually the yellow. I think they call it like the canary pair. And the second is definitely these. And that's like a close second. As y'all can see, I done already wore these, and they feel amazing on my feet. Of course, it's an SB, so it does have this thick tongue up there. Overall, this is just a well-crafted shoe. As you can see, they got the diamond right there on the tongue. It got the turquoise or blue, whatever you want to call this, Nike on the back. And then, of course, the leather. The leather up here is crazy. As y'all, like I said, y'all have B-roll, but the leather up here is ridiculous. Like, especially around the toe area. Crazy. And I could not be more happy with this pickup. When I pick up SBs, a lot of times it's because I really want it. This isn't one of those shoes where it's like, oh, okay, I seen them, I'm like, all right, I kind of like them, so I'm gonna go buy them. Nah, SBs, I really gotta want them to want them. I do have one other pair of SBs, and that is the Low Top De La Souls. Go check out my video on that. I'll put that like up there somewhere, so y'all can go watch that after this video. But yeah, I did pick up the Diamond Dunkers, man. This was a good pickup for me personally. Let me know if y'all want an on foot. I'll probably give y'all on foot anyway in a totally different video. I give y'all a whole full review on these. And yeah, Diamond Dunks. Let's get into the next one. Next up, this is Jordan 1 box. I actually did already drop a video on these, so y'all can go ahead and check that out. But it is also one of my recent pickups, and that is the black toe Air Jordan 1. And this is the regular black toe, not the satin, because I know the satins did just drop like, what, 2 weeks ago? This is not the satin, this is the regular leather black toe Air Jordan 1s. And this is probably my most worn shoe in the last 2 weeks. Like, I throw this shoe on whenever I can. Number 1 Jordan 1s is one of my favorite Jordans, just like majority of people, but especially these OG colorways. Like when you get to the Chicagos, the black toes, the breads, the band ones, like all these particular colorways, like when I get my hands on all of them, I'm gonna beat them. I know it's gonna happen because I'm already doing it with these, and that's perfectly fine with me, man. Like y'all can see basically the stress on the heel, even just like the toe creases, because I've really been putting miles on these. Like when I say miles, I drove from here to Baltimore, walked around Baltimore in these. Like I just been putting these on the road. Like these done got some time put in, but I don't gotta do a whole lot of talking on these. Like I said, I did already drop a video on these. Y'all can check that out on my channel as well. Now let's get into the last pickup. Last and definitely not least, a small Hypebeast jumped out of me and screamed and went and bought this. And I'm happy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I told you I've really been feeling yellow. I've really been feeling yellow. And boom, the yellow Supreme book bag. Before everybody called me a Hypebeast, this book bag is crazy. Like crazy dope. Even just like the Supreme up here is 3M. So y'all can kind of barely see it. Well, y'all can see it clearly right there. But it got the 3M Supreme. It's actually really useful. I keep my laptop in here to hold my camera, just anything. Like this is a good grab and go book bag and still be stylish at the same time, because I really don't like super basic book bags. So when I actually picked this up from round 2 in Richmond, and it was between this one and then the red one. And this one stuck out way more than me. And like I told you, I've been feeling yellow. Like even for example, right now, I have on yellow Crocs. Yes, I have on yellow Crocs. I told you I really been feeling yellow. Don't know why, don't know where it's coming from. But I did pick this up, and I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it, because I'm just not going to tell you how much I paid for it. But I think that's going to be it. Do I want to show y'all this last thing? Nah, I ain't going to show you. I'm going to say that for a whole different video. I'm just spoiling. I got a new car. Boom. Be on the lookout for the next video. But Appreciate y'all for coming through, man. Listen, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Last month, didn't drop a video, got 7K views on the channel for the entire month. For me personally, that's great. Small YouTuber coming up, don't have a lot of subs. Appreciate y'all for 1.4, almost at 1.5K. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at key.sowavy. And I'm very active up there, just like I told y'all. Listen. Big leaps of faith, we sacrificing, we doing all these good things. I'm about to put all my time and energy into this, and y'all, appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on shooting this next one. This time, appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. You feel me? Stuck with your boy, 7K views last month and didn't even drop a video. That's good for me coming up. But like I said, thank y'all. Go follow me on Instagram at key.sowavy, and I'll see y'all in the next one.